Hello students, today I am with new chapter. The name of this chapter is agriculture. This is the third chapter of the geography. So in this chapter, in our first topic, we will read about different type of farming. So first topic is farming. So according to the word farming, we have two type of farming. One is subsistence farming, second one is commercial farming. Subsistence farming is two in type. One is primitive, second one is intensive farming. So in primitive farming, we, or you can say the farmer are completely depend on the rain or monsoon for irrigation, and he is using old and awkward tools for agriculture. And third thing, he is growing only little amount of crops, or you can say only to fulfill the requirement of his family. Intensive farming, this farming is certainly practiced in areas of high population and pressure on land, and it is a labor intensive farming. So primitive farming, like you can say the name of primitive farming is different. Sometimes we call it zooming agriculture, slash and burn agriculture, shifting cultivation. So in different regions it has different names. In that, in primitive farming, what the farmers are doing, first they clear the patch of land or forest land and make it agriculturable, and after growing agriculture there continuously 2-3 years, when the land lose its fertility, they left it and went for some another. And in intensive farming, high doses of biochemical and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. तो यहाँ पर हम थोड़ा बहुत स्पेशली इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग में जो मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी होती है उसका सहारा लेने की कोशिश करते हैं. और we are avoiding the land holding practices. So after that, commercial farming, and this commercial farming also two types. One is mixed farming, one is plantation farming. So in commercial farming, it is undertaken to earn profit. Means we are doing commercial farming for gaining profits. So in that farming we have big lands and more labor, or you can say labor intensive farming. We are growing commercial crop in that farming and selling those crops in the market. And after that we have plantation farming. In plantation farming, we plant only one type of crop or tree in a particular area in huge amount. So this is called plantation farming. And in plantation farming, we require good labor, good amount of labor. We want good investment. We want a skilled person. We want modern agricultural technology. So after commercial farming, next topic is cropping pattern. In our country, we have especially two type of cropping pattern, but nowadays the pattern is changed. We have one more type of cropping pattern, that is J. So first one is Rabi crop, second one is Kharif crop, third one is J crop. So in Rabi crop, the sowing months are October to December. Means we sow the seeds from the October to December. And in the month of Feb to April, we harvest the crop. Which are the crops? Wheat, gram, barley, peas and oilseeds are growing. These are part of Rabi crop. Areas where Rabi crop are found, they are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, UP and Uttarakhand. After the Kharif crop, so we sow the seeds in the month of May and July, May to July, and harvest them from the month of September to October, and the crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, sugarcane and jute. They all are Kharif crop. And the area where they found Assam, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra and Odisha. Now J crops in between Rabi and Kharif crop, means from the month of April to June we grow J crop. In that crop, especially we grow vegetables, crop like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetable and fodder we grow in this season, cropping season. So dear student, now our next topic is major crops. So our next topic is major crops. So we divide this major crop into three parts: food crops, first, second is non-food crops, third one is horticulture crops. So food crops we divide into two parts: one is grain, second one is plantation. So in grain we have rice, wheat, maize, millets and pulses. And in plantation we have sugarcane plantation, tea plantation, coffee plantation and seeds. The non-food crops like rubber, cotton, jute and natural silk, they are not food, they are non-food crops. Then third one is horticulture crops. In that crops we grow fruits and vegetables. Detail about these crops we will study in our next lecture. Thank you.